Good morning, Wheatley Wildcats. Today is Thursday, September 13th, 2012. I'm your anchor, Shamaya. Let's have a great day. Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Please remain standing for Wheatley's motto.
I am somebody. The me I see is the me I'll be. I can be respectful, responsible, and resourceful. I can succeed.
Today is a high of 85 degrees and partly cloudy. Happy birthday to Jelson, Jerron, Jakaya, Tamaya, and Sadia. Happy birthday from WPWA. And here's Miss Gregory with the core content.
Good morning, boys and girls. Our reading core content from today is the word analysis. The word analysis, this is the big fancy definition. Remember, we always have to go through the big fancy definition and then I can actually tell you what it really means. The method of idea development in which the reader, speaker, or writer breaks apart a topic to examine its parts and the relationship of the parts to reach new conclusions about the whole. So here's what happens. When you provide an analysis of something, what you do is you are either the reader, so you're reading a passage, you're the speaker, so you're talking about something, or you're a writer and you're writing about something. So you break apart the topic, so whatever the topic is. If your topic is dogs, you're going to break apart that topic and you're going to relate everything together to make new conclusions about dogs. And that's what an analysis is. It's just a real depth study of whatever topic you're studying and then explaining what you found out when you studied it. Our math core content for today is quadrilateral. Quad means four. And that's where you get that from. Sometimes you might have heard of somebody having quadruplets. That means that they had 4 babies at one time. And so a quadrilateral is the same thing. A quadrilateral is anything that has 4 sides because that prefix quad means 4. So it's a polygon with 4 sides. A quadrilateral can be a square, it can be a rectangle, it can be a diamond, it can be anything that has 4 sides. That is what we call a quadrilateral. And now for our words of wisdom. Good morning, Wheatley Elementary. This is Mrs. Gregory with a few words of wisdom. Remember Confucius, the ancient Chinese philosopher? Earlier, we heard one of his rules for living. Here's one more to think about. Confucius says, the superior man sets a good example to his neighbors. He is considerate of their feelings and of their property. In other words, the best people set a good example. They are respectful of the feelings of others. They are respectful of others' property. So be the best that you can be by being considerate of other people. Be thoughtful of their feelings and treat their property with respect. According to Confucius, it's the superior thing to do. With something to think about, this is Mrs. Gregory. Make it a great day or not, the choice is yours. Today's fruits and vegetable is yellow squash and zucchini. They're actually from the same family. They can be yellow or they can be brown, the squash can, and they're usually medium size. They kind of look like a cucumber, but they're a little bit softer, and you usually cook them. You don't have to, but they're really good grilled. And they are, you will get both of them today for the fresh fruits and vegetables. And finally, our special announcements for today. Next Tuesday night, boys and girls, there will be Family Literacy Night next Tuesday night. And that will be just for kindergarten, first, and second graders. And that will take place from 6 until 7:30 in the evening. So come join us next Tuesday night for Family Literacy Night from 6 to 7:30. And don't forget the difference between a good day and a bad day are the choices that you make. Have a great day, boys and girls.